Namaskar, good morning. Today this is class 9 CBSE. Your next topic is unit of temperature. Today I will teach you about the units of temperature. As we know that there are many units of temperature: degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. Let us see about the unit of temperature. Today next topic is units of temperature. What are the units of temperature? Temperature may be measured in different units. In our daily life, temperature is measured in degree Celsius. There are many units that is used for to measure the temperature. Uh, Degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. These are the units of temperature. This degree Celsius is common units of temperature. Degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin. These units are used for the research work. Let us study about units of temperature in details. Degree Celsius. Celsius unit is written as, this is called degree Celsius. It is written as degree Celsius. It is written as degree Fahrenheit. But in Kelvin is not written as degree Kelvin. It only written Kelvin. It is very important to know here. The word degree is written with the temperature only with Celsius and Fahrenheit. Kelvin is not written with the degree. Let us see what are the relationship between the Kelvin scale and Celsius scale. The relationship between Kelvin scale and degree Celsius scale is degree Celsius. 0 degree Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. 0 degree Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. That is temperature. On Kelvin. Temperature on Kelvin scale is equal to temperature on Celsius scale plus 273. This is the relationship between the Kelvin scale and Celsius scale. Kelvin scale is equal to temperature on Celsius scale plus 273. Let us see some examples. This is numerical. How to convert Kelvin into Celsius. Let us see. The temperature on Kelvin scale is 270 Kelvin. What is the temperature on Celsius scale? What is the temperature on Celsius scale? Now let us see. Temperature on Kelvin is equal to temperature on Celsius plus 273. Then temperature on Celsius is equal to temperature on Kelvin minus 273. That is equal to temperature on Kelvin is given 270 Kelvin. Put this value, temperature on Kelvin 270 minus 273, that is equal to minus 3 degree Celsius. Minus 3 degree Celsius. In this way we convert temperature into Celsius and temperature into Celsius to Kelvin. Let us see what are the relationship between Celsius scale and Fahrenheit. This relationship is not given in your syllabus, but here it is necessary to describe. The relationship between Celsius and Fahrenheit is C upon 5 degree Celsius upon 5 is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 9. This is the relationship between Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. How to convert degree Celsius into Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit into degree Celsius? With this relationship we can convert from each other. Let us see by an example. Convert 45 degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. Let us see. Put this value in this formula. Degree Celsius is equal to 45 degree Fahrenheit. Degree Celsius is equal to 45 degree Celsius. Now 45 degree Celsius upon 5 is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 9. This is equal to 5 divided by 45 divided by 5, that is equal to 9. 9 degree Celsius is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 9. So it is written as degree Fahrenheit minus 32 is equal to 9 9s are 81 degree. Then degree Fahrenheit is equal to 81 degree plus 32 degree, that is equal to 2 and 3 11 degree Kelvin, 11 degree Fahrenheit. 45 degree Celsius is equal to 113 degree Fahrenheit. In this way we convert degree Celsius into Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. This is not given in your syllabus, but here students it is necessary to know. In your course only relation between Kelvin scale and Celsius scale is given. Listen once again. 0 degree Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. That is temperature on Kelvin scale is equal to temperature on Celsius scale plus 273. You add in Celsius 273. That is the temperature on Kelvin scale. This is the formula to convert the Kelvin scale into Celsius scale and Celsius scale into Kelvin scale. Today students, now your class is over. Watch the video many times and make your notes book. Then till namaskar.